Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today I am going to give a detailed descriptions about Tata Power. Friends, we suggested this stock at 40 rupees and you can see my video at bottom of my videos and now I am giving brief about this company and our target 100 rupees. I said in my first video also our target for Tata Power is 100 rupees and why I will tell in this video. Friends, Tata Power on March 2020 this year has 43,578 crores debit and June 30, 2020 its debit reduced and 41,000 crores is the its debit. So on after it sells so many non-core businesses and it is planning to reduce its debit also. Due to its debit only, the share value was not moving up, but it will all will move. And company also planning to reduce their debit by 25,000 crores by financial year of 2021. And going forward, I am going to tell about its renewable business having of 2500 megawatt of operational and 600 megawatt under construction. After this figure, they got nearly around 500 megawatt of projects on PPA, power purchase agreement from SEI, Solar Energy Corporation of India, and recently 2 days back and today I think it got 320 megawatt of PPA agreement from SECI. So friends, going forward, it has a huge market in Odisha. Recently it got 2-3 areas of distribution and retail circle of Odisha state government. And I think in overall Odisha, Tata Power is the major private company which supplies power to retail households also. And friends, its main area is to develop the renewable side and EV stations and micro grids and home automations, and all these things are their plans to improve their revenue. And going forward, it has a rooftop solar and electric vehicle charging stations, and they are present they are 500 crores of business, and 2 years back its rooftop solar business is 50 to 60 crores, and their solar pump business 2 years back they installed only 2000 solar pumps. Now to 25,000 solar pumps are installed, and they are planning to develop by solar rooftop and solar pumps. By combining these two, they expect 10,000 crores of business by 2025. Friends, and going forward, they plan 50 to 60% of their renewable energy will occupy renewable energy by 2030. Present it is 30%. And friends, and going forward, they are planning in future to sell their 189 megawatt of hydro power project in Georgia, which rises $1,000 million, and they are planning to sell their Bara Multi Sulaskarna mine in Indonesia for $100 million for financial year of 2021. So if they sold these two, their debit will reduce automatically. And going forward, how they will increase their revenue, and I am giving a brief picture on it. The EV industry market has grown by 128% in financial year 21 at 2955 units of cars sold compared to 1295 units in financial year 20. And this is one. And coming to next thing is MG Motor partners with Tata Motors to introduce first super fast charging station in Agra, and which supplies 60 kilowatt super fast EV charging station. And with this single charge, MG Motors ZS EV vehicle can give 340 kilometers per hour. not per hour, sorry, 340 kilometers. So with these two are the main things. One thing is EV revolution. That means electric vehicle revolution is going forward in coming 2 to 3 years. So when electric vehicles are the new ones entering into the market of power, so the demand present which we are seeing now will increase by 3 times. Why I am saying 3 times means the fuel will replace with electricity. So with this move, you can just imagine how many vehicles now moving with fuels move to electricity will give you a full revenue. And the revenue will generate through increased demand in this quarter due to homogeneous product manufacturing and winter season, which forces to use of electric heaters, and which are the main things of power demand rises. And with this we can expect Q3 results will beat Q1 Q2, and going forward the price will move 100 rupees for next March, I think. So friends, this is my updates on Tata Power. So friends, present its value is around 70 rupees, I think. And if you get 70 rupees and 70 to 100, you will get 30 rupees. So friends, don't miss this chance and invest for long term. Then only you can generate wealth, and you can improve your health with that wealthed money. So friends, thank you very much. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel.